An email from your Outlook application. With the application open, locate the new email button. This will open a message window. It will automatically complete the from field with your own email address. So in the to section, we type the email address of the person that we want to send the email to. The CC section is for somebody if you wanted to copy somebody in on the email. In the subject section, we're going to type what the subject is about. So we'll just type, and now we're ready to complete our email body. So in the email body, we type the message that we want to relay to the person. Once you've completed the body section of the email, click on the send button and the email is sent. If you want to check that the email is sent correctly, locate your sent folder and there you will see the email is sent correctly.